Major assignment 2 for English 2, I will be with Trivedia Astuti, Media Arif, and Joshua Junjuk. And the country that we discussed was Thailand. In the Thailand, the most striking geographical are the height of the mountains, the central plains, and the highlands. The mountains cover much of the northern Thailand and extend along the Myanmar border. Then the sands struck the lands of Genting Kra and the Malay Peninsula. The central plain is a lowland area irrigated by the Chao Phraya River and its tributaries, the country's main river system, which ended up in the Bangkok Bay's head delta. The Chao Phraya aqueduct system is about the third of country's territory. In the northeastern part of the state is the Korat Plateau, an area that rolls gently low and shallow hills. Lakes water into the Mekong River through the Mount River. The Mekong system boils into the South China Sea and includes a series of canals and dams. Most northern point, border of Myanmar, Mae Sia District, Chiang Rai Province, southernmost point, border of Malaysia, Betung Regency, Yala Province, easternmost point, border of Laos, Kong Chaim District, Abon Ratchathani Province, westernmost point, Myanmar border, Mae Saring District, Mae Hong Son Province. 5 major cities in Thailand are Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Pattaya, Chonburi, Gather Hatai Songkhla, Nakhon Ratchasima. Baht is the official currency of Thailand. The issuance of the currency is the responsibility of the Bank of Thailand. That has the 3 seasons. The rain or monsoon season of the southwest, May to October, that prevails over most the country, and September was the western of the year. This can something lead to folding. Thailand is currently the world's largest exporter of agricultural products. Thailand's economy depends on export, with an export value of about 60% of the GDP, and about 60% of Thailand's entire workforce employed in agriculture. Commodities produced are rice with super quality, tapioca, rubber, grains, sugar, fish, and another fisher product. Thailand is the world's large producer and exporter of rice, sugar, rubber, flour, plant seed, plum oil, tapioca, fruits, and another agricultural product include finished food. This is released thanks to the high attention and effort given by the Thai government in increasing farmer incomes, and of course, it is also supported by a good model or agriculture system to that excellent food quality is produced. Prabo, Praborom, Praborom Maharaja Palace is a palace building complex in Bangkok that the place served as the official residence of the kings of Thailand from the 18th century onward. The palace was built in 1782 during the reign of King Rama, when he moved the royal capital across the river from Thonburi to Bangkok. The palace has been expanded several times and additional buildings have been built over time, although he retained the title of king. Place the current king of Thailand, King Bhumibol Adulyadej, did not dwell in the palace. He lived in the Chitralada Palace. Thai culture and traditional have received my influence from outside, especially from India, Laos, Burma, Cambodia, and China. Thailand is home to many ethnic minorities, some of whom cross the border into Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Malaysia, and bear the burden of local, national, and global cultural influence. People of Chinese descent are important in Thai society, especially around Bangkok. They are success in integrating with the Thai community allow them to hold economic and political position. This in Thailand, Thai business is growing rapid in the bamboo network, and in a network of the overseas Chinese business operating in Southeast Asian market that shares family and cultural ties. Greeting time in Thailand, the greeting is made by pressing both hands together at the chest as if you are praying and bowing your head slightly. Like that. Okay, if we want to focus in this line of white elephants that the heel should be broke is if correctly will be explained by my friend Trividya Sari.
Okay, thanks, Sis Ayu. Hello, my name is Trividya Astuti. What was brought to Thailand? What was brought when in Thailand is a traveling gadget. Because when we are on vacation, the main thing is when we can capture the moment for photos. Comfortable fabric, comfortable snack or sandal. With this item, we can be comfortable wherever we are. Sunglasses and hat that make use look even more calming. Sunscreen or sunblock, umbrella, clothes, extra cover, so that our skin is protected from the heat of the sun. Why choose Thailand as a country for holiday? Because in addition to a good place, there are many tourist attractions that we must visit such as Nong Not's Tropical Garden. Nong Not's Tropical Botanical Garden is a 500-hectare botanical garden and tourist attraction in 163 kilometers on Siakhamphit Road in Khon Burik Province, Thailand. Can be reached via bus, taxi, or private ground transportation. The Grand Palace, a place that contains a number of government offices, as well as the famous temple of the Emerald Buddha Wat Phra Kaew. Tourist destination, Bangkok Phuket Pratunamarzit Beautiful Dream World for us to visit.
We can talking about entertainment at the Thailand. Thailand have a more entertainment for tourists and local wisatawan. Uh, for the first, we can talking about the Khon. Khon is a traditional dancing from Thailand. The dancer using a max until tissue finish. Uh, the Khon basic from the Ramayana stories. And second, we can talking about cabaret show. Cabaret show is a more expensive show at Thailand, Bangkok. Uh, the performing is Lady Boy. He can singing, dancing, and attractive with the until the show. Next slide. Floating market. Floating market. The government from the floating market. Floating market. Yeah. Floating market is a create from the government Thailand. You can see the any kind of traditional fruit from Thailand, and snack is like banana fried. Banana fried is like a banana fried. You can see at this place. Next slide. Nah, major Cineplex. Bangkok have a big Cineplex to for the local wisata for local tourists. The cinema have a big screen and the many kind of the room. Next, Fun World. Fun World is like a Dufan in Indonesia. Raja Damran Stadium is a stadium for the fighting Muay Thai. All Chiang Mai Cultural. Chiang Mai Cultural is a showing tourists and tourists and local tourists for the dancing traditional from Thailand. Next slide, please. Nah, 3D painting. 3D painting is located at one of the best mall in Thailand. You can take a picture in this place and showing showing at your Instagram account. Next, please. Muay Thai and Songkran Festival. Muay Thai is one of the best martial arts from the Thailand. Songkran is a festival water splicing. Usually only once a year. once a year at the 15 April at the Thailand. Next, please. Yeah, transportation. We can talking about the transportation. Wait a minute. Transportation, ferry and boat. Ferry and boat is a local transportation from Thailand. Tourists use this to another island. Bus usually tourists you, using this bus with with more participants to goes one place. Another slide, please. Minifan. If you have a small group and you can see the Thailand, please using the minifan. You can a private private travel. Songthaew is a bus, is a traditional bus. This is a very cheap. The local people using this Songthaew only for daily activities. Next slide, please. Rickshaw is a modified motorcycle. Rickshaw available at Pattaya. Motorbike and taxi. Taxi in the Thailand have a interesting color. Usually this taxi for daily activities like a taxi in Jakarta. Next, please. Nah, domestic bus. The local people at Thailand using the domestic bus for transportation daily. Rental vehicle. This is a rental bicycle for wisatawan. Until rental vehicle is only for wisatawan. Next, please. Modern boat. If you have a lot of money, you can rent a modern boat. You can rent a modern boat. Tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk is a famous traditional bicycle in Thailand. It's like a bajai in Indonesia. Next, please. Nah, MRT is a modern transportation in Thailand. MRT distance. Wait a minute. Yeah, the tourists can very easier to using this MRT. Skylab is another modified motorcycle from Thailand. This is the local people using this Skylab goes to the if you goes to the market.
Visitors to Khao Road are a disparate lot. In this small area, one can observe the interaction and groupings of disparate characters are such as uneducated young Westerners on external leave from affluent society, high school graduate on gap year travel, Israelis fresh out of military service, university student on holiday or sabbatical leave, young Japanese in need of passing a their ordinary holiday makes, volunteers from various organizations and the like. Next. Tom Kakai This is seeded from kway teow or rice noodles soaked in air, then salted with mixed eggs, instead of tofu, and topped with tamarind, fish sauce, ebi, garlic, and shallots, red chilies, and Japanese sugar, sliced with lime, and sliced fried peanuts, and pad thai. In Thailand, most tom kha gai typically includes coconut milk, galangal, kaffir, lime leaves, lemongrass, Thai chili, coriander, or dill, straw mushroom, chicken, fish sauce, and lime juice. Red chilies are something added. Next. Tom yum. Next, tom yum soup. Tom yum is a soup from Thailand. This soup is one of the famous Thai food. And mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice, this food can be eaten by fork, spoon, or directly by hand. Although native to Thailand, it is consumed in the geographical regions of Indochina in Southeast Asia, such as Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Next. Khao Pad. Khao Pad is one of the variations of fried rice, which is a typical dish of Central Thai cuisine. In Thai, khao means rice and pad means or is associated with something. This dish is different from Chinese fried rice, is that it is prepared using Thai jasmine rice is instead of the usual long grain rice. And somtam. Somtam is one of the variations of fried rice, which is a typical dish of Central Thai cuisine. In Thai, khao means rice and pad means or is associated with sauteing. This is different from Chinese fried rice, is that it is prepared using Thai jasmine rice instead of the usual long grain rice. Nice. Daeng consists of soft textured beef pieces, red curry paste, fine coconut milk, orange leaf, and sprinkled with lime. This food has a fresh and spicy taste. This dish is served well. It is warm and accompanied by rice and masaman curry. Khao Pad is one of the variations of fried rice, which is a typical dish of Central Thai cuisine. In Thai, khao means rice and pad means or is associated with shouting. Next, gongtan. Gongtan is a popular dish in northeast Thailand and Laos. It is fresh raw shrimp in spicy sauce with fresh herbs. Gongtan is a street food that can be found at Isan restaurant or in fresh markets. And mok huak. One of my favorite things to do is eat things I've never tasted before. I love good foods that look familiar and that include familiar ingredients. And I also love to eat things that might be a little exotic or perhaps bizarre. Fruit bugs. Have you ever tried to eat an insect in your life? Eating fruit insect is normal in Thailand. Insects are low in calories, high in protein, and extremely nutritious. If you would like to try them, you can easily find fresh insects sold by the vendors on the street, especially at tourist places. Your adventure trip would not be complete without trying Thailand insect food. And larp, lewat newa. Next. Kaiyeuma is the food of a duck that has become an embryo and already visible part of his head or legs. These duck eggs have been preserved using a mixture of clay, salt as rice husks, and lime. Next. Dessert and Muay Thai pants. You will be able to find all the common and popular brands in the shops. I have visited, but you have a particular gear or apparel model in mind. You might go away empty-handed and disappointed. This is because a lot of the shops, even the official stores, do not carry the full catalog of their products, but come with no expectation and be prepared to be blown away by the price, friendly service, and seemingly unlimited options. Here are the best shops to buy Muay Thai gear in Bangkok.
Okay, this is the end. This is the end of presentation from kelompok 2. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and see ya.